Hello guys, welcome to your channel Refer to Dost. You know that each every week I do publish some job that where you guys can refer yourself by sending your resume to refertodost@gmail.com. So like other weeks, today I have also some few openings in Kolkata location, and the job that opening I have right moment all is for account job. Those who are from account background, they can easily go through the job description, and if they think it is feasible for them, they can apply and send their resume to refer to those at the gmail.com. This is completely a fee service, so you know that no monetary transaction is involved in the entire service. We just provide your resume to the company HR, since we have some internal resource who refer your CV. So without wasting any time, I am showing you one by one job for Kolkata location. Guys, here are the job that Kolkata location, and as you can see, these all are for account jobs. First job role is cash application. 1 to 3 years experience is required, and the position is process associate. Next one is invoice processing. 1 to 2 years experience is required. Role is process associate. Next one is same job, invoice processing, but as a process lead, and at the same time experience is also required for 5 to 7 years. Moving to next one, procure to pay. 7 to 9 years is experience, and the role is team lead. Next one, record to reports, and the rest all are record to reports. As you can see, these are part of general ledger accounting. The first position that is open under this job profile is for process associate. Next one is senior process associate. Third one is process lead, and the last but not least, it is team manager. Now I am going to each and every job description so that you can have a bit knowledge that what are the details is required to apply this job. Cash application experience, as I mentioned in previous 1 to 3 years. Requisition ID is 881643. Role is process associate. Requisition ID is very much important. Those who are applying and sending the CV, just mention this requisition ID in the subject line along with your resume. And as you know that I do not go through each and every line of job description or primary skill and secondary skill. So you just go through the details before applying for this job. Moving invoice processing, 1 to 2 years of experience, and the role is process associate. Job description and primary skill and secondary skills are as below. This is completely a free service. You can easily send your resume to refer to those@gmail.com. And if you think that this channel is helpful for you, then you can subscribe, share, like, and click on bell notification to get notified once again I'll publish some other jobs some different time. Moving to same job, but the profile is for process lead. So job description and skills are there. Moving to job profile is procure to pay. Position is for team lead, that is why the experience is bit higher, that is 7 to 9 years. Please go through job description and primary and secondary skills. Moving to reports, general ledger accounting. The rest all the job profile is lying with, it is for record to reports, but you can see that position will be changed in each and every slide. So here the position is for process associate, and here are the job description along with skills. Same job profile, but the role is senior process associate, and same job description and skills. Moving to next, same job role but as a process lead. Guys, this is completely a free service, so if you want yourself to get referred, you can send your resume to refer to those@gmail.com. Whatever job we are showing over here, this is completely internal reference that we are going to provide you, so you cannot apply directly over the company website. We have some employee, those who are working in the organization, and from their source we can refer your CV. And if you selected, HR will get back to you either with mail or call. So moving to the next one, record to reports, general ledger accounting. Position is for team manager. That is why experience is required for 9 to 11 years. And being a team manager, you must have the experience or exposure to handle on an average 30 to 50 FTs. So please go through that points along with the other one. So if you think this all information is helpful for you, and I can also motivate you by preferring your CV, so you can subscribe my channel, click on bell notifications, share, like, and do comments. If you have any doubt, I'll try to reply on each and your every comment. So that is all for today. Bye bye guys.